Hello friends, my name is Kaylee and welcome to my channel, Fantasmic Fandoms. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the new remodeled DVC rooms at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa at Walt Disney World. The building that we ended up staying at is called Big Pine Key, which is where all the DVC rooms are. The room we stayed in had 2 queen beds. The room itself had very cute Mary Poppins vibes. And I really loved the blue color that was all in the room, very cute. And there is a nice little space in between there. It has some lights for reading. You have a really cute lamp and of course your phone to order room service or anything like that that you may need. The lamp was really cute, and on there you can actually see an umbrella for Mary Poppins. I like that the bedside table had some storage. It had 2 drawers, and also underneath the beds had a little tiny bit of storage. You couldn't have got your whole suitcase under there, but there was a little bit of storage if you had like a little bag or something. And I loved that there was a microwave in this room, and you had a little seating area leading out to our balcony, which we will check out the balcony in just a minute. There also was a little table that we ended up pulling out a few times to make a makeshift dining room table between our beds, and these beautiful pictures of Mary Poppins flying in. This was a fold-out couch that had instructions on this little table that would show you how to fold it out and make it the sofa bed. And I love that it had some outlets by it, USB and traditional 3-prong outlets, and also by the beds there were more outlets, so plenty of outlets. And I love that this dresser had so much space. These drawers were really deep and big, and they were kind of automatic, which was crazy. Like when you push them back, they would close a little bit. And a really nice sized TV that we watched a few times. Also in this room, you can see there's the recycle and the trash, and there was a beverage cooler. So not a proper fridge, but a beverage cooler, a nice little drawer as well for some snacks, a Keurig machine, so if you want to have some coffee, and also an ice bucket. And you can see Mary Poppins and the children in the wallpaper, and it's adorable. There was some storage above this area that had some plates and cups, and we put our snacks there. One of my favorite aspects of this room is the chandelier. You can see the little birds, and there's a penguin up there, so it was really funny. The little penguin was kind of a nod to that scene in Mary Poppins with the penguins. And we did have a handicap accessible room, so the door would open when you would push that button. This closet was absolutely beautiful. You have your travel pillow, tons of hangers, a little holder for your suitcase, and then on the other side, tons of storage. You have your steamer, you have a safe, and robes, which sadly we did not get to wear the robes, but they were really cute and they were there, and just tons of storage. And I love the wallpaper on the door. Going next to the bathroom, I absolutely love the detailing on this mirror. It was gorgeous, and I love that it had a little makeup mirror that went with the gold theme really well, some tissues, and of course you have to have your little freebies, which I really love. I actually ended up forgetting to take these. Very convenient. You have some cooling gel, aloe, body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, all sorts of things. Also plenty of towels, and of course a toilet because it's a bathroom. It also had the handicap accessible bars and another gorgeous Mary Poppins inspired painting. That's an absolutely stunning painting. And it had a lot of storage here. I don't really know if that's different for the handicap accessible rooms, but you could definitely fit your suitcase underneath the towel holders. And then the walk-in shower with the accessible bars, and you have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash all there that you can press out, and your beautiful large faucet, and it had the handheld as well with a shower chair, so super accessible. And of course, I love the little details of the Grand Floridian seal on the toilet paper and the Kleenex. And here's our outside view of the balcony. I absolutely loved this view. It was a bit rainy on the day I ended up filming this, but we were right by the pool. We were actually pretty central to the main building, which was really nice to like get to go and things like that. And we have a few little balcony chairs to sit out and enjoy the day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I hope you have a magical day, and I'll see you real soon.